A traumatic brain injury doesn't always look serious on the outside, but on the inside, it can affect every part of your life. Memory, focus, mood, motor function, everything changes. At Sigal Law Firm, we represent TBI victims across Michigan and help them fight for the compensation they need to move forward. Whether it's a concussion, a penetrating head wound, or a violent jolt during a crash or fall, the damage can be lasting, and symptoms aren't always immediate. We've seen clients who seemed okay at first, only to suffer memory loss, anxiety, dizziness, and sleep disruption days or weeks later. That's why it's so important to take head injuries seriously from day one. At Sigal Law Firm, we work closely with neurologists, neuropsychologists, and long-term care specialists to assess the full impact of a brain injury, not just physically, but mentally and emotionally. Whether it happened in a car accident, workplace incident, fall, or sports injury, we identify what went wrong, who was responsible, and what needs to happen to make it right. Brain injuries are complex. Insurance companies may offer a quick settlement before you even know what the long-term consequences will be. That's a mistake. We've seen clients need months or even years of therapy, missed work, and ongoing emotional strain. We fight to make sure your compensation reflects what you've actually lost, not just what's on paper today. We also know how stressful this is for families. A traumatic brain injury doesn't just affect the person who's hurt. It affects their spouse, their children, their caregivers. We take the time to listen and build a case that captures the full reality of what you're going through. We never charge anything upfront. At Sigal Law Firm, you only pay us if we win your case, and your consultation is always free. If you or a loved one has suffered a traumatic brain injury in Michigan, don't try to navigate it alone. Call us today. We'll help you get the medical care, legal support, and financial resources you need, now and for the future.